Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are gonna make handvo with homemade handvo flour. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and let's move on to the recipe. So we are going to start with making handvo flour first. For that I'm taking 3 cups of short grain rice. Don't use basmati rice here. We need any kinds of short grain rice. Now add chana dal, toor dal, mung dal, urad dal, and my secret ingredients, corn kernels. This is gonna give nice yellowish color to the flour, as well as it's gonna enhance the flavor of handvo. So don't forget to add corn kernels in your handvo flour. Lastly, add a tablespoon of methi seeds, which helps in fermentation, and mix everything well together. Now place a clean kitchen towel and add the grain mixture onto it and kind of just rub all the grains with the kitchen towel. This will help removing the dust out of it if there is any. Now transfer the mixture onto a plate and microwave it for a minute. This will help removing the extra moisture from the grains. Next, transfer the mixture into a bowl and let it cool down completely. Once the mixture is cooled down completely, we will grind it. Today I am using KitchenAid grinder to grind the grains, but you can use any regular grinder in order to grind it. Our mixture has been grinded completely. As you can see the texture of the flour, this is what we are looking for. At this point of time, if you wish, you can store this flour into an airtight container or use immediately. I'm using half of the flour today, so I'm gonna add half a cup of curd into the flour. Now add water as required and make a thick batter. So this is what we are looking at. It should not be too thick or too runny. Now cover it and let the batter ferment in a warm place for about 7 to 8 hours. The batter doesn't rise during fermentation as it does for idli or dosa batter, as you can see, but this is perfectly fine. Do not add any extra water at this point. Now take medium-sized butter gourd and grate it. Instead of butter gourd, you can also use carrots or even zucchini or any other vegetables of your choice. Squeeze half a lemon or lime, and we will also be adding freshly crushed ginger, garlic and green chili. Next we will be adding some jaggery powder. You can also use sugar here. Now add fennel seeds, sesame seeds and carom seeds. Add salt as required, turmeric powder, a tablespoon of oil, some cumin-coriander powder. Also add some fresh corn as it is gonna give nice texture to the handvo. Instead of corn kernel, you can also take some soaked chana dal. Also add few curry leaves. Give everything a good mix. Lastly, add some fresh cilantro. And now add handvo batter into the mixture. Mix everything well together. You can adjust the spices or salt at this point if desired. Lastly, I'm gonna add some baking soda and give everything good mix. I'm gonna show you two methods to make handvo. So in first method, we are going to bake it. So grease the pan with some oil and pour the handvo batter. Do not overfill the baking mold as it is gonna rise a little bit. Leave some space on the top. Now tap it couple of times. We will add the tempering on the top. So for that, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Add mustard seeds, some asafoetida, hing, some whole coriander seeds, sesame seeds and few curry leaves. Now with the help of spoon, add the tempering onto a batter. And now we are gonna bake this handvo at 370 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, add rest of the batter onto a pan to make the handvo on stove top. Even out the top and spread it all over the pan. Cover the pan with a lid. Reduce the flame to low and cook until the top surface looks cooked as shown in the video. Flip it gently and cook until another side turns golden brown. Once the handvo is cooked on both the sides, turn off the stove and take it out and let it cool down completely before serving. Meanwhile, the baked handvo is also ready. Let it cool down completely before serving. I hope you liked today's video. If so, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram for my daily cooking updates. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.